Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix bad image error in Windows PC. So friends, to fix bad image error pop-up, you need to firstly click on start and type CMD. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Now type sfc space slash scan now and press enter. Now wait for a while till the processor will be complete. And after that you need to type this code. So firstly type this code on notepad and after that copy and paste here and press enter and wait for a while till this processor will be complete. And if this both method is not work for you, so try another one. Click on start and type regedit. Open the registry editor. Now friends, in here click on HK local machine, so expand, then software. In here click on Microsoft, this one. Now navigate Windows NT, this one. So expand it, click on current version and in here find out Windows, this one. So double click on Windows. So friends, in here you will find app lint dash DLLs. So you need to right click on it and click on modify. So make sure if you find any value data in here, so make it empty like this. So friends, if you find any data in here or any value, so make empty and then click on OK. So friends, by using this method, hopefully this bad image error will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update and please comment this video work for you or not. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.